Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to sign out of our YouTube app on Android devices like smartphone or tablet. This will remove our YouTube account from the phone. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We all have YouTube app on our phone or tablet and enjoy watching interesting videos. I'm sure most of us do this. But if we want to remove our YouTube account, which is literally a Google account on our Android device, then here are the steps for that. We have to take our Android device and open the YouTube app. Before we proceed further, there is no direct sign out option for YouTube Android app. We have to remove our YouTube and Google account to do this. Suppose this is the account we want to remove from the YouTube app, then we can select the profile icon at the bottom right. Then we have to go to manage account. For that, we have a switch account and Google account. If we go to switch account, then at the bottom we have manage accounts. We can select that. And if we go to Google account, we can select our email address at the top. Then at the bottom we have manage accounts on this device. We can choose any of that. Select. Now on your Android device, the user interface might be a bit different. But to proceed further, we have to choose the Google account here. And here we can see the list of email addresses, Google email addresses we have. And here we can select which one we want to remove. And now here we have the remove account option. For on our phone, we just have to click on this 3-dot menu and choose the remove account option. This will remove our YouTube and Google account from our Android device. That means signing out of YouTube. That's all. The profile icon changed here. That means we have signed out of our YouTube account. If we don't have access to our Android smartphone, then we can open the web browser on our computer and go to google.com and log into our YouTube or Google account. Then select this profile icon at the top right. Go to manage your Google account. And now on the left side, go to data and privacy. Now we have to scroll down a bit. And here we will have this your devices section. Select this. On this page we can see the list of our active Google or YouTube account. We can go to Android phone and select the device for which we want to sign out. We can choose the Android device one here and we can sign out here. That's all. This will also reflect on our Android smartphone directly. These are the steps to sign out of YouTube app on Android mobile devices. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.